The following tutorial will demonstrate how to use the default map tool in FlexMLS. Default map is a tool that you can use to edit your default map area that you search. For example, whenever you do a search using the map in FlexMLS, the default area centers over the Milwaukee-Waukesha area. If you are a member from Racine, Kenosha, Sheboygan, or Manitowoc area, that may not be convenient for you, and you can change that to your own area. So to do that, you log into FlexMLS. In your main menu tree, click on Preferences and then Default Map. It'll load your currently default area, and this is the default area, Milwaukee and Waukesha. So for example, let's see you're from the Racine Kenosha area, so you'd like that area to reflect that. So what we're going to do first is we're going to move our map so it displays the area that we want to center on. So I'm holding down my left mouse button and I'm dragging my map up so I can put the area that I want right there in the center of my screen. So I'm going to use the Racine Kenosha area. Once I can see that area, I'm going to come down to the bottom toolbar and single left click the square. Okay, so that turns on that tool. So I'm going to single left click my mouse at the starting point that I want to start at. So I'm going to do it right out here where it says Crestview and make sure that I get this little tip of North Bay Inn and Racine. So I'm going to single left click, and I'm not holding down my left mouse button. Now I'm starting to move my mouse out west to go as far west as I want, and then I'm going to go down south to the state border. Alright, so once I have the area centered that I want, I'm going to double left click my mouse to stop the shape. So the area that you see here is the area that I've selected for my default. To save this, I'm going to come to the upper right hand corner and click on Save. So now, when I choose to do a map search, and this can be used in the full search map tab, the search results screen map tab, also within map search, and I choose to search, it'll default over that area that I selected. There you go. So I'm no longer in Milwaukee and Waukesha, I am over Racine and Kenosha. If I needed to edit this shape, I can go back over in default map. Clicking reset will take you back to the original Milwaukee Waukesha, but if you want to redraw your shape, you just simply put your area in the view. Let's say I wanted to capture a smaller area, and I'll do it out to the expressway and double click, save it. So now, for example, I'll show you through full search and click on the map tab there, and there it is. And again, if you need to reset your preferences, just go back to default map and hit your reset button. This will conclude our tutorial on using the default map tool in FlexMLS.